Okay. So recap में we can see yesterday what all things we saw. String length. How do we find a string length? Which function is used?
Len.
Len function. Okay. Then we also saw string indexing. String indexing. In that we learned what? Starting index. Which is starting index?
0.
पूरा चीज लिखने दो. From left will be
0.
0.
0. Last index
Length -1.
from from left is length of a string minus 1. String minus 1. Similarly, starting from right, index from right,
-1.
correct. Good. Right is -1 and last index from right
Minus length.
minus negative of length of a string. ठीक है. I hope this was pretty simple. इसमें तो किसी को दिक्कत नहीं है. Yes, पृथ्वीराज. I hope you are clear. अरे अंकित, तुम्हें सब कुछ आगे क्यों जानना है 12th का? XMPP is a just give me a minute. Hello. Yes. Sorry, Rahul. Actually, I'm in the middle of a session. I will get back to you later. Bye. Okay. Right. So अंकित, वो XMPP is वो कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क जब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ना 12th में, 12th के टॉपिक है उसमें, that is the rule using which your जो WhatsApp है, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, ये सब जो चीज़ है ना, वो लोग उसी टेक्नोलॉजी, उसी रूल्स पे काम करते हैं. द रूल्स ऑफ हाउ WhatsApp विल बी यूज्ड, हाउ Facebook Messenger विल बी यूज्ड, हाउ chat will be sent in computer network over internet. Those guidelines and rules and technical specifications are mentioned under that set of protocol, that is rule. XMPP rules guidelines के अंदर में defined होता है.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So this is what we covered so far. Continuing further, आज हम लोग left क्या है string से related to cover.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, in the fourth point, last index from right and minus length of string, sir. What is that?
Negative of length of string.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Minus अगर doubt हो रहा है तो I will just a minute. Right. Negative. ठीक है. Negative length. Right. Now to cover, there are two things left to cover. One is slicing, string slicing. आज वो देखेंगे हम लोग. And second is string formatting. One thing you remember, Rolvin asked something yesterday and I said, even Ankit wanted to know. So I told him that thing will be clear when we learn that thing, this string. Just a minute. Hello. हाँ बताओ. नहीं डाल रहे हो तो फर्स्ट में क्या हो, मैथमेटिक्स में you'll go for that. अच्छा ड्रॉप करोगे, ठीक ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। मैं अब ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। I'll give you a call, मैं तेरा भी क्लास के बीच में I'll call you back, ठीक है, मैं थोड़ी देर में कॉल करता हूँ। ओके, राइट। So yeah, string slicing, and second is string formatting. Okay. So this one topic yesterday we were coming up, ki what is this? We'll learn about that. Rolvin ka answer, or what Ankit wanted to know, ki what was the doubt of Rolvin. So that thing we will be covering in string formatting. ठीक है, और ये है तुम्हारा string slicing we will see today. Let us see. So we'll start with the topic of string slicing. ठीक है. So what is slicing? Slicing का मतलब क्या होता है? Anyone? It's not a common English word.
So breaking a thing into two, I suppose.
हाँ, you cut into some
Cut,
pieces.
yeah.
Okay,
Into
some slices.
number of
For
products.
example, let's say you have a cake. ठीक है, मान लो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा केक है. So entire big cake can be cut into various slices, right? इस तरह के कुछ कुछ slices में कट हो सकते हैं, right? So that is what we will do with the strings. तो strings में क्या करेंगे? There is a way, ठीक है, there is a way using which you can cut one string into several parts or slices. You can make slices, or you can cut and take out slices from one string. ठीक है, देखो ओके, तो जैसे देखो तुम्हारा है, मान लो कि एक स्ट्रिंग है, लेट्स से ऑपोजिट ऑफ कॉन्कैटिनेशन सॉर्ट ऑफ, देखो मैं बताता हूँ, समझ जाओगे. लेट्स से आई गिव यू वन, पहले इसका मतलब लिख देता हूँ तुम्हें, ठीक है. obtaining substrings from a given string. What is substring? Substring क्या होगा? Example मान लो A is equals to good morning. That means कि how many strings can be obtained from this? What do you think? Strings means the sequence should be same.
Two
So
strings.
examples can be, how many different types of strings can come out from this? Can you tell me?
12,
Huh?
11.
12.
11. No, there are many possibilities. Okay, see. Example is good is one smaller string that can be taken out from it. Another one is morning. But it need not make sense. मतलब कि जो sense नहीं भी बना रहा है, that can also be considered as strings. For example,
Infinite.
MOR, no, not XYZ, इसी में से होना चाहिए. And should be continuous.
Sir, infinite, not XYZ. Yes.
Permutation and combination हो गया है चैप्टर तुम लोगों का?
Nice, sir.
No, sir.
नहीं, तो उससे ये सब चीज हेल्प हो सकता है तुम्हें, ठीक है. MOR, ठीक है, तो तुम्हारा इवन
Combination
OD,
use होगा sir इसमें.
हाँ,
कॉम्बिनेशन यूज होगा सर इसमें?
शीजा मैडम से पूछना, मेरा मैथ्स उतना अच्छा नहीं है। ओके, MOROD, OOD, ओके, इवन ऑल्टरनेट लेटर्स वाला भी निकाल सकते हो, G O गो, ठीक है, इस तरह का भी कर सकते हो, बहुत सारे। तो इसी में से कुछ करके इफ यू आर गेटिंग आउट स्मॉलर स्ट्रिंग्स फ्रॉम द बिगर स्ट्रिंग, एंड व्हाट विल बी द मैक्सिमम लेंथ सब स्ट्रिंग, इसका सबसे बड़ा सब स्ट्रिंग क्या होगा, that can be taken out from this string.
So good morning, excluding G.
String itself is the biggest possible substring. ठीक है, तो
Okay.
हाँ, तो this way if you want to take out smaller strings from a bigger string, so that smaller string coming out from this, which can be carved out from this, will be known as the substring of the bigger string. तो slicing से use करके वो हम लोग करते हैं। Okay. So we can use slicing to do that. So obtaining substrings from a given string, okay, can be obtained by slicing. Example how? देखो, अगर मान लो example, let's say you have A is equals to good morning. In substring, indexing will be used. Using indexing, we will give range of index positions which have to be carved out of the original string. So let's say अगर मैं लिख दूं P is equals to from A, string A, carve out from starting from 1 to 4. Okay, so you see this is the starting position, this is the ending position. So which is the starting index? Which is the starting index? यहाँ पे starting index कौन है? This or this? कौन सा है?
So
O
O.
sir.
O, first O is the starting position. Okay, so this is the starting position, this is index 1. And which is the ending position?
G.
Blank space.
Space.
Blank space. But remember, just like range, this is excluding, -1 तक जाएंगे। Okay, जैसे range में लिखते थे ना 1 comma something, तो that final value was excluded. We used to go till a position before, 1 before that. Same thing will be applied here. So यहाँ भी लिखा 4 है, तो 4 is this blank space.
D.
Okay, this is the this blank space is 4, but we will go till D. So from this to this. So what will B contain? This will result in a string slice from the main string, which will be OOT. Okay, clear? फिर प्रिंट भी करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा। जैसे देख लेते हैं, कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे मैं खोल लेता हूँ साथ में। Minus value is space is, so what? Let it be. अंकित माइनस वैल्यू है स्पेस में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो इट विल प्रिंट बट यू वोंट बी एबल टू सी, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग।
Okay.
लेट्स से A is equals to, हमने स्ट्रिंग दिया, ठीक है, एंड देन वी वांट टू प्रिंट A, ये बताओ what will be the outcome?
O to
O
R.
comma R.
O to
O
R.
comma R.
O to R, which O? First O or second O? From
Second.
left.
First.
Second.
Second.
Second O.
Second O. Okay, so you are telling me कि it will start printing from O and then will go till
R.
R. That means this much shaded portion will appear. So let us check. This is G is 0 index. First O is 1, second O is 2. So that means it will start from second O, then will go to 7 or 8.
7.
7, because what one less than the value given is at the end index. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us check. Correct?
Yes.
This
sir.
can also be assigned to another variable. Okay, but remember, slicing does not disturb the original string. ऐसा नहीं कि original string A change हो जाएगा. Oh, sorry. Original string does not get disturbed.
Sir, what is the use of this?
We will see. अभी पहले सीखो तो होता क्या है. Okay. First learn everything. Everything will come in use. Don't worry. Okay. First learn the features. What all can be done, and then we will see what we will do. Okay. Correct. ये clear है तुम लोगों को? Slicing. So one more thing I will write here. Let me see. So we also conclude that original string remains unchanged. Okay. मतलब A will remain unchanged.
Sir, can we put from 0 to end?
Huh? I will show you that. A will remain unchanged. You want to print the entire string, biggest possible slice.
Yes.
So what should be the starting and ending?
So 0 to 12. Yeah, 0 to 12.
I don't know. Let's say user has entered the string. I don't know the length of the string.
0 to len minus 1.
0 to len minus 1. Then it will print from 0 to len minus 2.
0 to len.
0 to len, correct. देखो. I'll write here to print the entire string. Entire string. There are few other ways as well. I'll show you right now. Okay. Let's say A is hello there. Okay. If you want to print the entire string, there are few ways. So first way will be print A 0 to len of A. So if you write len of A, then only it will go till the end now. This is len minus 1 position. So you will have to write one more extra. Then only it will come to this. You understood why it will come to 0 to len A? Because it goes till len minus 1 and last character is at len minus 1 index. देखो. Okay. Here A is good morning, right? So if I print, check it, print A starting from 0 to len of A, len of A only. Okay. अगर -1 कर देंगे यहाँ So it will print till second last character. Okay, Rolvin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Others as well?
Yes.
बताओ, girls, Pooja, Nanika and Ruchika?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right. So that is about slicing. It is, so that means slicing में जो values लिखते हैं starting and ending, it is similar to what you write in range in the loop, isn't it? देख रहे हो ना, range में भी उसी तरह का behavior होता है. Now can you tell me one thing? Is there anything else extra we saw in range? Huh?
No.
What did we see extra in range?
Step.
So,
Step
yeah,
value.
Step.
That is also applicable here. But उससे आने से पहले I will show you the second way to print the entire string. Print. If your starting position is first position, you need not write it. And if you समझे तो उसमें क्या लिखेंगे बस like this. So if your starting position is first position and ending position is last position, then you can only write blank, nothing you need to write. Okay, so that means from starting to end. So let us check that. And here, so this will mean before colon is the starting, so from beginning, nothing means from beginning, and after colon, which is the end position, if you again leave it blank, this will mean till end. Check. Now let's say if I write, somebody tell me, what will be the answer?
Sir, O.
Till? It will start from where? From which character?
G.
G. Okay, and will go till where?
I, sir.
I. Anyone else with some different answer? What I said was, if you miss the starting position, that if you do not mention any starting position, okay, then that will by default be assumed as the first index. Okay, and if you miss the skip the ending position, so that will by default be assumed by last index. Okay, so here if you are writing this, then what does this mean? It will go. It will go G
It will
to
go
N.
like 10 minus 1.
So okay, 1 2, it will go from 0 to 9, right? So 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. I will also be included.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will also be included. I is 9th index starting from 0. Let us see. देख रहे हो? Okay, one more. Let's say what will be the answer of this?
G double O.
What will be the starting index?
G.
G. क्यों? Starting में तो हमने 3 दिया है.
Second O
Oh,
to G,
three.
sir.
Second O
D.
to
Oh, sorry.
D.
Sir, D, sir.
D,
Starting
sir.
will be
D.
D.
Till G.
D.
Starting G होगा, D होगा, O होगा, क्या होगा? What
Sir,
will
it will
be?
be D. Starting will be
D.
Sir,
D.
D.
D. Okay, good.
D.
Starting will be D. Why? Starting position we have given as 3. So G is 0, O is 1, second O is 2, and D is 3. So it will start from 3 and will go to where? End. because we have not mentioned
G.
anything. Okay, so it will start from here and will print the rest of the string. So that means this portion will be sliced out and will be thrown. But original string A won't change. देखो. Correct? Okay. Clear है ये चीज? Slicing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll also mention in the next page. So if you do not mention starting index while slicing, it will be assumed as will be automatically assumed as what? 0 starting index. Similarly, missing out or skipping last index, ending index, will imply till the end of the string. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see like step values can also be used in slicing. So like I said, it goes similar in behavior like.
Sir, can you go to the previous page 1 minute?
Okay. Let me know, Ankit, when you're done.
Yes, sir. Sir, is there any such program for printing numbers?
Numbers,
Yes, sir.
like
Means, what should I say?
for printing numbers, we have already seen printing all numbers from 1 to 10, 1 to n, printing sum of all the numbers from 1 to n, printing factors of product
No,
of all the.
like if you want to print a lot of numbers, if we give a lot of numbers and print some selected numbers from that.
Yeah, we will be learning about them soon. Such there is another type of data type. We'll be learning after this.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
so I was thinking like if we could can we assign a label to an if statement, the header of an if statement?
Label to elif statement.
A header of an if statement, sir.
हाँ, why not? If में तो लिखते थे ना, if A is greater than B.
Yeah, so like if A is greater than if A plus B equals to 0,
हाँ.
that will give us a result when it comes under for loop, right, sir?
No, that will be evaluated there itself. Depending on whether that result expression evaluates to true or false, it will come inside or it will not come inside.
No, so what I mean is like for the prime numbers program, we used j modulus I equals to 0. If
Okay.
so, if we take only the header of that and assign it a label and print only the label, then
Okay.
we don't have
I
to write
got
the
it.
rest of the code, right?
I got it. You want to put the expressions inside a label.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that it can be used in mathematical computations.
Yes, sir.
No, there is no straight way of that. No genuine way provided for that. You can contain operations which will retain their meaning in the form of like operators. So you cannot do that. Generally, there is no straightforward way, because the moment you will enclose them within quotes, because I'll tell you, the moment you will enclose them within quotes, they will lose their meaning and significance, and they'll be treated as normal characters within a string. Okay, Robin. Did you understand?
So, like in a for loop, under a for loop we have say the for loop is from 1 to 10.
Okay.
And under the for loop we have if I plus 1.
Okay, let's say just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Batao. If a for loop, let's say we are writing here, for I in range 1 to 11, 1 to 10 if it is going, let's say.
Yes.
Then
and there's a nested if.
Nested if nahi hoga. If within an if is known as nested if. If within a for is not nested.
Okay, sir. So if 2 mod I equals to 0. So if we can assign a label to the second line.
This entire thing.
Yes, sir. And then print only the label.
And then it will take it as mathematical expression and evaluate the result and all, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
No, because why? If you write, the moment you will write something like what you intend to do is.
So like A is equal to if.
I got it what he is saying. Okay, what he is suggesting right now is, can we do something like expression is equals to A is equal, A mod 2 is equals to 0, and then we directly write if expression, okay, and then solve, right?
Yes, sir.
No, why? I'll tell you why. Because the moment you are going to enclose everything like this, they will be treated as a string and not expressions. Okay, because when you write, how will you get rid of these quotes? As till the time there is some
code, we can write it without quotes.
How will you write? If you write directly, you can write. No, if you write without quotes, what will be the meaning of this? Tell me. Acha, you are saying like this. Without quotes, if you write, that will work.
Okay.
Okay, if you write something like this, then yeah, it is correct. This will either be true or false, and then you can write if exp. That is correct. If you wanted that, that will work. I thought you wanted to say, can we put it within quotes?
So, sir, so that prime numbers script code, if we use this and print only exp, then wouldn't it be much more shorter, sir?
You can, if it simplifies you, or if that appeals you in a better way, you're free to do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that means what you can do is, if you write, let's say A and B, you have assigned something. Okay, and then if you write if A is greater than B and do something, instead of that, you are free to do this. Okay, contain the result. Expression is equals to A greater than B. So this exp will either contain true or false, boolean true and false, not enclosed within quotes. Okay, so this expression will contain either true or false. So if you write exp, so that means if the result in front of header, if header evaluates to true, it will get inside, else it will go to else. If it is there, all it will simply skip or ignore. So if this is true, then only it will true will come here. The moment it sees true in front of it, it will go inside the body. If this is false, then it will not go inside the body. Yeah, you are free to do that. You can do, if you think that helps you in a better way to write your programs. Okay.
Yes.
So can we write that A is equal to for I in range?
What A is equals to?
For I in range.
I in range
1,11.
No. I understand. तुम कहाँ जाना चाह रहे हो? Ankit, I understand. We will learn that topic under these type of concept which you want to apply here. There is a topic known as list comprehension. Okay, वहाँ पे वो चीज सीखेंगे जो तुम यहाँ पे करना चाह रहे हो ना कि what will this to can we include something like this in the form of an expression which will give me a list, something like that. So there is some similar concept. We will understand about it. So for now, you remember this cannot be done. See,
And that day you told that you have to remind that else within a for.
Else with for. I will tell you that. So why you cannot do this? Because this does not result in any final expression. ये पूरा मिलके कोई एक आंसर नहीं देता है तुम्हें. A equal to, if you can sum right, then the condition is that right side of the equal to should evaluate to single value. But will this evaluate to any single value? No, this is in itself a looping construct which will enable you to go round and round. So this will not throw out a single value as a result of the expression. So you cannot do this thing. Okay, only expressions can be contained. हमने पढ़ा था ना कि variables के अंदर क्या-क्या contain हो सकता है? Values, result of expressions. Okay, so expressions you can give here. Final result will be contained. So this expression you can give a mod 2 double equals to 0. Then result that is true or false will be contained. Okay, or strings.
So the expression towards the right side, if it is I mod 2, will it still work?
You tell me. Just a minute. What you are writing?
The same thing except for.
Let's say A is equals to 7. Let's say A is equals to 7. B is equals to 3. Why can't you store C A mod B? What will C contain? Tell me. बताओ. Rolvin, तुम ही बताओ. You tell me.
2, sir. Not 2. 1.
1. What's the doubt?
If we change A to I, sir, a value that keeps changing.
That will be within for loop. That should be within for loop, body of for.
Sir, can you execute the program?
Which program?
The right side, the one that you've written.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Why not? क्या हो गया इसको? Wait. Okay. क्या क्वेश्चन था? Tell me. What was your program? क्या लिखना चाहते हो? For A is equals to?
For I in range, sir. For I in range 1 to 11.
For I in range 1 to 11.
If 2 mod I.
If ये expression में डालना चाहते हो 2 mod I.
Yes,
you want
sir.
to okay. Expression 2 mod I is expression. So yeah.
Double equal to 0.
0.
If and then if
expression
exp colon print exp.
No, I understood what where you are getting confused. See, एक चीज जान लो. What I'll tell you why this will execute. Okay, because you are getting confused कि right side of the equal to है ये क्या है. See, this is, you can take this as a single expression. Okay, and did I mention at any point of time, though I will be covering it, कि there is a preference order of the operators?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
operator precedence, there was one topic in the syllabus. Okay, I vaguely told you the highest preference is for the
brackets.
and then comes double star, that is exponent. Okay, वो preference order होता है. So remember that these are what type of operators, Rolvin? Rolvin, ये कौन सा ऑपरेटर है? Double equal to.
Logical, sir.
Logical.
Sir, the relational.
Relational operators, right?
Yes.
And this is equal to is
Assignment operator.
Assignment operator. So if you look in the operator precedence chart, na, relational operators are placed higher than assignment operators.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And this modulus operator, they may be placed higher than, so it may be something like this is a highest preference, this is second highest preference, and this is last preference. So first this will be solved to a single value. Okay. Then once this value comes here, then will come the term of this one along with this. Okay. And once you reach the value of this one, then this will be last one remaining, then this value will be assigned to left side.
So this is correct, sir?
This is correct. I'll show you. Wait. Though I am not taking that topic as of now today, I'll show you something. Python operators precedence. English है क्या इसके बाद तुम लोगों का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
215.
Okay, in 5 minutes I'll give you. See, देखो something like this chart will come. I'm not sure तुम लोग देख पा रहे हो कि नहीं. Let me see here. ये देखो. Grouping, that is brackets, is the highest. Okay. This is जो ये चीज हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे. Slicing is, if the slicing is involved in the second expression and power is also there in the expression, something is like that, na, then this will take the, this will be even more powerful, more preferable when compared to this. Lastly, you see.
Sir, what is unary?
We will abhi us pe mat jao. What is that? Yeah, this is not exactly of Python. This is of C, but in Python will be also following the similar thing. Okay. तुम यहां पे देखोगे, now you wrote in that expression, this was there, right? This was there, and finally at the bottom, here it is not shown, last at the bottom is assignment operator. Okay, it is not shown here, but the assignment operator has the least preference. So tell me what will be solved first? 2 mod I will be solved first. Then whatever is the result of 2 mod I, that will be with double equal to, because it is second in preference, will be solved. And then whatever is the final answer, assignment operator will assign, it will work at the last to the variable. Which concept I are Alvin. Though I intended to take this topic next day, or some other day in future, in the near future only. But because you asked, I am telling you this.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
You got?
Yes, sir.
Python देखता हूँ मैं ये वाला है क्या? इसमें भी नहीं दिया हुआ है. Let me check. Or let me do one thing. I'll see if operators precedence. इसमें अगर chart होगा तो you can follow that. You can see this chart, right? So can you see here? हाँ, यहाँ पे तो है ही. ये वाला जो है ना, operator precedence, you can follow. जब भी तुमको एक expression दिखे बहुत लंबा सा, if you see the expression involving equal to, double equal to, and, or, not, सब कुछ मिला के, then this is the actual BODMAS sort of a thing that computer follows, Python follows. Okay, so you can see in your condition that you mentioned, you had this also, you had this also, and you had augmented assignment operator, and assignment operators are at the same level of preference. So first, your modulus part will be solved in this question. That is, first this portion will be solved and resulting in true or false, or something like that, or not true and false. The remainder will come. Whether that remainder, now one single value will come. Let's say remainder comes as 1. Now This is your final expression. In this expression, which has higher precedence? Preference, double equal to or single equal
Double
to?
equal to.
Double equal to is having higher precedence. Why? We can see this in this chart. Double
Yes.
equal to comes higher. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
single equal to. So then this will be computed and either true or false will be reached. So is 1 double equal to 0? No. Answer will be false. And then at last, only this operator is remaining, which will do its duty of assigning. Okay, so exp will be in the variable identified by exp, false will be assigned, and here finally in the place in internally false will be replaced. समझ में आया Rolvin? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Others also थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया तो ठीक है, नहीं आया तो we'll take up this topic again in future shortly.
So can you just execute that program, sir, before we leave?
Right.
Yes, sir.
I'll write rolvin.py. क्या हो गया, हमने प्रिंट क्या किया? हाँ, you have printed exp. तुम्हें प्रिंट क्या करना है? True. So देखो यहाँ पे what came here? First round is 2 times it printed. Why? We'll check. This was the output, right? Okay, maybe 2 times ही true आएगा. 2 times true नहीं आना चाहिए, ज़्यादा आना चाहिए ना? Yeah, Rolvin, it is correct. Only 2 times true will come. I think on.
Sir, sorry to disturb you, but English, sir.
So English is started.
Listening skill hai, sir.
Sir,
Rolvin,
true will come
Yes, sir.
only for 1 and 2.
हाँ, true will come only for
1 and 2.
1 and 2, correct है ना? तो दो ही बार true आएगा, उसके बाद तो remainder will be 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever is the value. मतलब every time remainder will be 2 itself. Okay. तो ठीक है, चलो, I will wrap it up here. Rolvin, so answer, you can work out this also. We'll start with the discussion of this topic only tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, और थोड़ा सा step value
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.